today's topic is Introduction to Trigonometry, class 10th, exercise 8.1, and it's a ninth question. So it has a two parts. So I'm solving first part once. In triangle ABC, if I'm making a triangle here, here is already mentioned right angled at B. So here is B and this is C. If 10A is equal to 1 by root 3. 10A is equal to 1 by root 3. What is the value of 10? It's a B upon B. It means perpendicular is 1K, जिसको हम we can write only K also, and here is base is root 3K. Okay. Again, first of all, we have to find the AC. So let's start. Pythagoras theorem. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square is equal to A. What is the value of AB square? It's a K. So we can write here K square. BC is root 3K whole square. So AC square is equal to K square plus square है root से cancel and K square. So it's a 3K square and AC is equal to 3K and 1K. It's a 4K square और यहाँ का square हटा के here is a root. 4 किसका square root होता है? It's a square root of 2. So we can write it like this. AC is equal to 2 square K square, cut it, and AC is equal to 2K. So we got our third side. Okay? So हमें कौन कौन सी वैल्यूज कौन कौन सी ट्रिग्नोमेट्री रेशियोज की रिक्वायरमेंट है? वी नीड साइन ए, कॉस सी, कॉस ए एंड साइन सी. साइन ए, साइन की वैल्यू P upon H, which is A angle. This is A angle. So its perpendicular is this. So it means it is root 3, H is 2. Fine. So K cancel, it's root 3 upon 2. Then cos C. C is this angle. What is the value of cos? It's a B upon H. So C is this angle. So base is here root 3 upon K and 2K. So this is root 3 upon 2. Cos A. Again this one, it's a B upon H. So base is K, 1K आप लिख सकते हो if you are, and hypotenuse is 2K. So K cancel, this is 1 by 2. And sin C, what is the value of sin C? It's a perpendicular upon hypotenuse. If we are talking about this, then perpendicular is 1K and hypotenuse 2K. So this is also 1 by 2. So we got the 4 trigonometry ratios. I'm going to erase it. If you want to note it down, please note it down. Now, sin A. What is the value of sin A? Sin A is root 3 upon 2. Write down here root 3 upon 2. Here is a multiply between both of the ratios. So cos C is root 3 upon 2. Write down root 3 upon 2. Then plus cos A is equal to 1 by 2 and sin C is equal to 1 by 2. So solve it. Root 3 and root 3, it will be root 3 square and 2 into 2, it's 4 plus 1 upon 4. Okay. So take the LCM 4, root se root cancel. It will be 3 plus 1, that is 4 upon 4, that is equal to 1. So its first part's answer is 1. Please note it down. So now its second part. It has two parts. First we have already done, and its second part is cos A multiply by cos C minus sin A multiply by sin C. We have all the values, only इन values को हमें अपनी sum के अंदर put करना है. Cos A, what is the value of cos A? It's a 1 by 2. So write it down 1 by 2. Cos C is a root 3 by 2. Sin A, root 3 by 2. And sin C is 1 by 2. Multiply root 3, multiply by 1, it's a root 3. 2 2s are 4. Here is also root 3 and 2 2s are 4. Look at here. Whole number is, this is positive number, this is negative number, so we can cut it, and answer is 0. So 0 is the answer of second part. Okay, you can note it down. Thank you. Have a nice day.